Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching. In this video, we're gonna talk about transfer. Unless you've been living under a big rock, we are losing on everybody right now. Haaland don't wanna come. Aguero already agreed with Barcelona. Harry Kane not coming to Chelsea Football Club because of the London stuff and Levy and all that. Romelu Lukaku, maybe still 50-50. We don't know what's gonna happen, but it looks like he's happy at Inter. So just let's be realistic and let's be honest with ourselves. So on the market right now, top names are done. We don't have any top name left on the list. Okay, so we have to start looking at what can we do in case we don't sign anybody that was in our A list. And let me introduce to you Memphis Depay from Lyon. Free agent. You don't have to pay anybody. He doesn't have any agent right now because he wanna represent himself. Yeah, very smart, so all the money can go to his pocket. At the moment, he's looking for a new club. He pretty much said goodbye to Lyon because he doesn't want to stay there. He want to go to a bigger club, according to him. No disrespect to Lyon, but you know, Chelsea and Lyon is just different, right? So why not offer Depay a contract so he can play for us at Stamford Bridge? I know many people are going to kill me for this because the guy is a showman, you know, a bling kind of guy, Gucci all the time, private jet, music and all that, but that is his personality. But when it comes to playing football, this guy takes football very seriously. Let me tell you a story. Last season, he had an ACL injury. It took him only 4 months out. He worked very hard and then he came back. This season, he was one of the best in the French league. He contributed to 30 goals at Lyon. I'm not saying he scored 30 goals. He contributed directly to 30 goals. That tells you everything you want to know. And this guy can play in many different positions. Okay, as a winger, as a false 9, as a number 10, as whatever position you're gonna put him in front, he's just going to do the job. I know we're not looking for people like this because we have enough. You know, Werner because he can play different positions. So we wanted Harvard because of the same reasons, but they are not doing good yet at Chelsea at the moment, and people are just looking for a proper number 9. But I'm telling you one thing on Depay is that he's very clinical. You won't take that away from him. Depay, one-on-one, he will score 99.999 times. But what we got now, they're gonna miss 99.9999 times. You see the difference? So you're looking for goals. You're looking for somebody who can do pretty much everything, okay? A very versatile guy who will be more than happy come to London life. You know, he can continue his music on his spare time and all that. My goodness, this is a very good option for Chelsea Football Club. That is just my opinion. You don't have to agree with me. And if I was given a chance really when it comes to the number 9 that we are looking right now, my first choice is going to be our A list, which is Kane, Lukaku, Haaland, you know, all that category, you know. And then the plan B for me is going to just give the chance to what we got already. Okay, we have Harvard who will improve next season. We have Werner who is going to score tons of goals next season. Okay, or if you want to forgive and forget, you can just keep Tammy Abraham. Is another choice, but I know this one people are going to kill me because he's not the Chelsea level. And then I will look around. Why not Ike Ugbo, for example, from Lyon? He scored a lot of goals in the Belgium division, but nobody count those goals because, you know, it is what it is. And then I will even look at Armando Broja. You know, he's still young, but scored a lot of goals for fun, tall, powerful, a different kind of striker. Why not? I'm gonna look around, okay? And if you're still not satisfied, and that's why I will go with my list, you know, my B list, which is, you know, Depay, let's say Luka Jovic and people like that. So that is just my opinion. This is me just thinking outside the box here. I'm not telling you that we've been linked with Depay, but we will be linked with Depay in the coming days. Just believe me, it's gonna happen because everybody is gone now, so Chelsea need to be linked with everybody else. You know what I mean? And Depay, Barcelona probably, but they don't know if Koeman is going to stay at Barcelona because he wanted Depay over there. That's why he didn't want to sign a new contract at Lyon because he wanted to go to Barcelona. But Barcelona just got Aguero, and probably they are going to keep Messi because if Aguero comes to Barcelona, it's because he want to play with his friend Leo Messi. You see how the domino effect here is working? So they might not even need Depay anymore. So it's going to be very interesting to see where Depay is going to end up in summer. But if we sign him, I'm cool. Look who is back. Charlie Musonda, my own brother. Did you see his post on Instagram? Oh my gosh. Charlie looks fit as ever. Oh my goodness. Charlie is back and he can't wait. Only 6 weeks to go until the preseason. So he's very, very excited about it. He can't wait to go on preseason and see what's gonna happen. Pray for Charlie, man. I don't know. If Charlie was fit, I don't think we were going to need Sancho or other links, you know? Charlie Musonda is a very good player, but struggling with injuries now for 3 years, 3 seasons that he hasn't really played much professional football. So this time, fingers crossed, he doesn't get injured and he will continue to do his thing. I am praying that Thomas Tuchel gives him a chance, you know, like give him preseason, which is going to be very difficult, you know. He needs to compete with people who've been playing football for the last 3 seasons and he hasn't. So it's going to be very difficult for Thomas Tuchel too, because Tuchel is here to win and I don't think he has time to wait. So give him preseason. If he doesn't do good in preseason, give him a very good loan somewhere so he can enjoy football one more time. But if we can keep him fit, I'm sure 2022 Charlie Musonda is back at Chelsea Football Club. Leave your comment and let's have a discussion.